Hey Fetii, it's K at ASU. Let me show you around. This is the living room. This is where we watch footy on Sunday. We got the double decky couch over here. This guy right here, his name is Brendan. He's notoriously known for not doing around here. But if you look over here, we had a potato sack race the other day. Came in first. Shout out to the guy who does absolutely nothing. This is the kitchen. Some of us make food, some of us burn food. I don't know what we're doing over here, but he's cleaning the sink with a mop. This is Lucky. We adopted her this year. He's trying to do our good deeds out here. This is where we pregame. We got our DJs up here. Try to pack it all the way out before our parties and get it electric. This is a balcony. This is where we play beer darts, hang out at night. Sometimes get a little too mangled. It's a common room in the house. We got just a 2-person living. It's our house Fetii flag up there. Thanks for stopping by, Fetii. And don't forget, rush the order.